Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Habibi.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Good morning, Miss Cotton.
Good morning, Habibi. Are
Teacher.
you fasting? Well, you don't. Who's fasting today?
Me. Come now. Hi, Miss.
Hi, Miss.
I'm fasting. Me too.
Great. Did you try to solve the worksheet?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Who
morning.
tried to solve the worksheet? Did you try to solve the worksheet?
No.
Okay, it's okay. We're gonna solve it today together. Yalla, just give
Teacher,
it.
my dad didn't print. Teacher, my dad didn't print the worksheet.
It's
Today
okay.
he's gonna bring it.
It's okay. Yalla, we will solve it together. I think we can start now.
Okay. Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, dear, I'm listening. What's your question?
Yeah, in 7 days I'm gonna go to another country.
In 7 days, you're going to another country?
Yes.
So what's the question? Do you want me to go with you?
Yes. Yes.
Do you want me to go with you?
Yes.
Really? Where are you traveling?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. Where are you traveling?
To Venezuela.
Great. Yeah, let's start with the worksheet. We're not too many right here. Yalla ya Zen. Zen, I will start with you.
Teacher, yeah, maybe I understand.
Yalla ya Zen. A pine,
Yes.
a pine needle. A pine needle. Is it a type or a kind of stems, roots, or leaves?
Time needle.
Yes.
Miss
It
is a Faten.
Yes, Hassan.
Miss Faten.
Yes, Hassan.
I talk for this.
You what?
Teacher, I know it.
Please don't send me anything in the chat. Don't send me anything in the chat. I cannot
know.
check it while sharing the screen. Okay? And I was talking with Zen.
I know how to talk for this. Is a stem.
Yalla ya Zen. Zen, what can look like a needle? Can stems look like a needle? Roots look like a needle? Or leaves look like a needle? One more time, you send me anything in the chat, you will lose points. What can look like a needle? No, it's not the stem. Yalla, think again. The stem cannot be like a needle.
Teacher,
What can look like a needle?
can I help him? I was gonna say. I know. I was gonna say. I don't know what means the needle.
Ya Allah. Hassan. Hassan, when it's not our turn, we are not allowed to unmute ourselves. I will explain everything. So then, what is your answer?
The leaves.
The leaves.
No.
برافو يا زين.
Stem.
A pine
لا ده no,
needle.
the roots.
A pine needle is a kind of leaves. برافو يا زين. Plants can have broad leaves أو needle leaves. Leaves can be broad leaves or needle-like leaves. So, broad leaves or needle-like leaves. Cacti, the cactus plant, is a plant with needle-like leaves. The leaves of the cacti look like spikes. They look like needles. Other plants like the orange tree, the lettuce plant have broad leaves. Thank you, Yazan. Yalla ya Aya Sabra. Aya, the potato that we eat. The potato that we eat. Is it a stem, a root, or a leaf?
Stem.
Excellent. It is a stem. And what do we call this stem? What is this stem called? What's the type of the potato stem?
Tuber.
It's a tuber. Excellent, ya Aya. Excellent, ya Aya. Excellent. Aya. Good job. يلا. علي شعيب. علي. Cacti, a cactus plant, stores water in its stems, roots, or leaves. Why are cacti fat? Where do they store their water?
Roots.
Roots? No, actually, cacti have short, fibrous roots. They do not use them to store water. Cacti are fat. Why? Where do they store their food? Where do they store the water?
Stem.
In their stem. Bravo ya Ali. They store water in their stem. The cactus plant has a fat stem because it uses it to store water. Yalla Elsa. Elsa. Cacti are plants with fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are the roots that look like a messy hair. Do these roots stay near the surface of the ground? Wallah, they form one main root. Wallah, they go deep in the soil. What's your answer? What do you think? A plant with fibrous roots.
It's the first one.
It's the first one. Excellent, ya Elsa. Fibrous roots are short roots. They do not dig deep in the soil. They grow near the surface of the soil. Yalla ya Hadi. Hadi Azul. Yalla ya Hadi. Look at this picture.
Yes.
Look at these roots.
Yes.
Which type of roots is this? Fibrous root? Is it a system of fibrous
roots? Fibrous roots.
Fibrous roots. Excellent. They look like a messy hair. Bravo, ya Hadi. From the first time. Amazing, ya Hadi. Good job. Yalla, Yusuf. Yusuf. Not this. We will do this all together before I call Yusuf. Yeah. Let's do this all together. I will unmute all of you. You will help me to color this. Help me color this plant. Where is the stem? Where is the stem?
Where's the stem? The leaf flower. The stem is brown.
The stem is brown. Yes.
The stem is green.
Where is the stem? Is this the stem?
No.
This one?
This is the leaf. No, this is the flower. The flower. You said the stem is in the middle.
The stem is in the middle. Excellent job. I will color it. This is the stem.
My name
The
is
color of the stem in brown. This is the stem of the plant. Where are the leaves? The leaves are green. Where are the leaves?
At the side. The leaves are outside. These are outside. The flowers maybe in the left.
The leaves are on the sides. These are the leaves. Yalla, I will color the leaves.
Also outside. The flower is red. I think the roots that are underground.
These are the leaves.
Mama?
Yeah. Where are the flowers?
They are at the sides. Red.
On the top. And they are red.
Yeah, the roots are underground. And the roots in the floor. And the roots are underground.
This is the second flower.
And the roots are the ground.
Third one. And this is the flower. Where are the roots?
The roots are underground.
Roots are underground. These are the roots. These are the roots. Yalla. Now 5. You should all be muted.
The flower.
1,
Another color.
2, 3, 4, 4.5. Did you mute yourself? 4 and 3/4. Did you mute yourself? Yalla ya
No, teacher, not mute.
Yalla ya Yusuf. It's Yusuf's turn. So the brown part is the stem, the green parts are the leaves, the red parts are the flowers, and the yellow parts are the roots. Okay? Yusuf, which part absorbs water and minerals from the soil?
The roots.
The roots, amazing, bravo. Yalla Wissam. Wissam, which part of the plant makes the seeds?
Makes the seeds. The flowers.
Great job, bravo. Zainab.
The flowers.
Bravo ya Wissam. Yalla ya Zainab. Which part of the plant ya Zainab takes sunlight and carbon dioxide gases? Which part of the شو يا زينب?
The stem.
Which part of the plant takes in sunlight and also carbon dioxide?
The leaf.
The leaves, bravo ya Zainab. The leaves catch sunlight and they take in carbon dioxide for the plant to make food. يلا يا علي عاصي. علي عاصي, think carefully يا علي. Which part of the plant fixes it to the soil? Which part of the plant fixes?
The stem.
Think carefully. Which part of the plant fixes it to the soil? They keep it in the soil.
The root.
The roots, bravo يا علوشي. The roots fix the plant to the soil. I put nothing for the stem. Okay, so be careful. The stem's job is to, who will help me with this? What is the stem's job?
I know. The root job is to
Support the plant. Excellent.
Carbon dioxide.
Support the plant and what does it hold?
Miss, what page? Hold.
Which page? There is no pages. This is the worksheet.
Leaves, flowers, and fruit. It's all the flower and fruits and leaves.
Okay, so I put nothing for the stem in this question, so be careful. The stem's job is to support the plant and to carry the leaves, the flowers, and the fruits if there are any. Okay? Yeah.
Teacher,
Yes, teacher.
but the leaves absorb light and take the carbon dioxide out.
The leaves. Yes, that's what we said. We said that the leaves absorb light and take in carbon dioxide. In higher grades, maybe next year, I will teach you that plants need to take in carbon dioxide, okay? And not take out carbon dioxide. Okay, dear?
Okay.
Yeah. هلا questions number 4 and question number 3, these are questions in your book. يلا يا حسن بارود.
I will bring the. Yes.
يلا يا حسن. Look at the roots of the grass. We have to tell which type of roots is this and why. يلا, what do you think? Which type of roots is this? They look like a messy hair. So are they fibrous roots, tap roots, or storage roots?
Fibrous roots.
Excellent job. Bravo ya Hassan. So grass has fibrous roots. How did you know? How did you know? We should say because. Because. How did you know?
When I was listening I was listening when you said it's like
Messy.
not soft hair. I messy hair. I heard you say that it's a virus.
Excellent job. Bravo. So grass has fibrous roots because these roots look like a messy hair. These roots are branched. Branched, يعني they have lots of small branches. And tell me, Hassan, do they go deep in the soil or they are short? They grow near the surface of the soil.
They go near.
Bravo, they grow near the surface of the soil. Amazing, Hassan. Bravo. Grass has fibrous root because these roots are branched. They look like a messy hair and they grow near the surface of the soil. يلا يا علي قرعوني. يلا يا علي. علي, look at the leaves of this plant. Look at the leaves of this plant. Do they look like needles? Well, they are broad leaves. Broad or needle? Do they hurt when we touch them? يعني are they needles? Well, they are broad leaves.
Broad leaves.
Broad leaves. Bravo. Grass has broad leaves. Bravo يا علي. Grass has broad leaves. يلا يا أسيل. Asil, in question number 4, we can see the beets. Beets that are, we call them shamandar in Arabic. Shamandar. We eat them. And these are roots. Okay? Determine. Akid, don't forget, when I ask you to determine, you have to tell me why. You should say because. Okay? Hon كمان. We have to determine the type of the roots of the beets. Yeah. Do beets have fibrous roots?
Yes.
Tap roots ولا storage roots? And why?
Tap roots.
They have tap root. Bravo. Bravo.
Tap
Why?
roots.
Why Asil?
Because they have a line.
Because there is one line with small side lines. Excellent, dear. Excellent, dear. Bravo. Because there is one line with small side lines. Look at the side lines right here. So it's one line, one main line with small side lines. Excellent job. Bravo. Beets have tap roots because their roots consist or are made of one main root with smaller side roots and the one main root with the smaller side roots. يلا يا كمال. يلا يا كمال. Beets have tap roots. Okay? It's one main root with smaller side roots. But they are fat. We eat them. So what do they store? What do they store in their roots?
They store.
We eat them. So they store. Yum yum. What do they store?
Wait, these roots store.
Yum yum.
Vitamins.
Who wants to help? Who wants to help? What do these roots store? Don't send me anything in the chat. So what do these roots store?
Teacher, please. You don't tell me. It's food.
Food, great job. They store food. And for this reason, we can also call them storage roots. We can also call them storage roots. We can also say that these are storage.
They also have vitamins.
Yes, for sure. But my idea is that they store food. They store something that we can eat. Okay? Yeah. Question number 5. True or false? True or false? Yalla, Aya, Katie. Yalla, Aya, Katie. Please mute. I will count to 5.
Yes, teacher.
You should all be muted. Yalla, ya Aya. 1, 2.
Okay.
3.
The stem.
4.
Some stems.
Yes, yeah, Aya. Yeah. Some stems store food for the plant. True or false?
Some stems. Some stems store food for the plant.
True.
No, it's not correct.
It's
give us the soil and the
So there is no stems that we can eat? There is no stems that we can eat?
yes.
Can you please give me the name of a stem that we eat? Who can help us with this? What is a kind of stem that we can eat?
Miss me هذه على الفول I know.
يلا يا هادي.
Teacher, I don't know the name, but I eat it before. Teacher, I know. Teacher, I don't know the name of the stem that we eat.
There is a
But I eat it before. Yes, it's a green stem.
Some green stems are edible. We eat them. Yes, give me another example.
Okay. Green stem.
Carrots are roots. They are not stems. ولو?
I know it in Arabic.
No.
حميدة. Strong. I eat it before. Teacher, I eat it before.
Don't send me anything in the chat.
Teacher, I eat it before.
طيب stop. I was waiting for this answer أنا صراحة. I was waiting for this answer. The potato that you eat is an underground. No one said it. The potato is a stem that you eat. It is an underground stem, a stem that grows under the ground, but we eat it. So, شو يا آية? Some stems store food for the plant. Some stems.
Teacher, that's tuber.
It's a tuber. Bravo يا آية. It is a tuber. صح. The potato is a tuber and it is a stem that we eat. Okay, it is a tuber. So what do you think? Is this sentence true or false?
What tuber means? True. What?
True. Bravo. True. يلا فاطمة بيطار. Different plants have different plants have different shapes of leaves. True or false? True. Bravo. يلا حسن جباعي. The pear tree, the orange tree, and the oak tree, they all have broad leaves. True or false? True. Bravo يا حسن. They all have broad leaves. يلا جاد حسن. Beets. هلا we saw the beets in the picture.
Okay.
Carrots, radishes are examples of storage roots. So they are roots that we can eat. True or false? True. Excellent يا جاد. Bravo. These are roots that we can eat. علي غبريس. Plant stems are always woody and hard. True or false? No. How can you correct this sentence? How will you correct this sentence? Yes?
Plant stems does not have woody and all plant stems does not have woody and hard hard.
So they are, how are they? If they are not woody, how are they? They can be woody, but they can also be.
If they are not woody, it can be like a green stem.
Green, excellent.
Green
Plant stems can be woody or green. يلا يا تالا. برافو يا علي. Plant stems can be woody or green. يلا يا تالا. تالا, all plants grow flowers.
False.
False. How will you correct this, يا تالا?
How do we correct this? Hi.
Yusuf. Yes, يا تالا. How will you correct this?
We have to say all plants do not grow flowers.
Or we can say
Teacher,
some plants do not grow flowers. Guys, can you help me and Tala to tell examples of plants that do not grow flowers at all? Examples of non-flowering plants.
Dot plant.
Like the dust plant, ferns, and mosses. Bravo, bravo, bravo Tala, bravo the others. Some plants do not grow flowers at all, like the dot plant, the ferns, and the mosses. Okay? Guys,
And
now
we
this
can
is-
say also not all plants can grow.
That's right.
flowers.
Not all of plants grow flowers. Bravo. يلا يا أبطال. If you still didn't participate, unmute yourself. If you still did not participate. But I think you all did.
I don't participate.
يلا فاطمة شمعوني.
I don't participate.
Aya, you did participate. يلا فاطمة شمعوني. We have 8 different plants يا فاطمة.
Yes.
Choose one and tell me the part that we eat of this plant. What will you choose?
Okay. Lettuce.
The lettuce. Yeah. Which part of the lettuce do we eat?
The leaves.
The leaves.
The
Bravo يا
leaves.
فطوم. We eat the leaves of the lettuce. يلا هلا. Grade 3B, you can all unmute yourselves and help me with this. يلا, help me with this.
Okay.
Asparagus. Which part of the asparagus plant do we eat?
Green.
The stem. The green stem.
The green
Asparagus.
stem.
We eat. It's a stem.
The
Bravo.
green stem.
يلا, radish.
Carrot.
Radish.
Fruit.
We eat the root.
The person.
We eat the roots of the radish plant. Bravo. The carrot.
Carrot.
كمان the roots. Bravo. كمان we eat the roots. So the radish plant.
Strawberry fruit.
لحظة. The radish plant and the carrot plant, these two are storage roots. These two are storage roots. We eat them. يلا, let's go for the
Carrot is a stem.
strawberry.
This is a potato. Carrot is a stem.
Fruit.
Carrot is a stem.
لا, the carrot is a root. The carrot is a root. We eat the fruits of the
cabbage.
strawberry plant. Of the strawberry plant. Yeah. The cabbage.
Cabbage leaves. The potato.
Leaves. Bravo. The cabbage. We eat the leaves of the cabbage. صح.
potato.
A potato. هلا بعدنا قلنا إنه this is a stem. This is a stem that we eat. This is a stem that we eat.
Onion. Onion has a leaf. Onion leaf.
Onion we eat its leaves. Bravo. Let me circle it.
Onion is the leaf.
We eat the
The
leaves.
leaf is in the middle. Teacher, I actually don't like onion because
Onion is so
no,
important.
I like
Yeah. I will count
I
to
like it.
5. At 5, you should all be muted. 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
No.
4, and 5. Thanks a lot. We eat the radishes and we eat the carrots, and both are storage roots. These are roots that we can eat. They store food in them. Okay? So, the carrot and the radishes are storage roots. Okay? The tuber, the potato is a tuber. It is on. Yeah, Fatima. The potato is an underground stem that we can eat. The onion also has a bulb. It is an underground short stem. But do we eat the stem? No, this is not true. We eat these white parts. We eat these white parts right here. These are the leaves of the onions. These are the leaves of the onion. Okay? These are the edible parts of the onion. And that's it, we finished. Do you have any questions about the lesson? About the worksheet?
No.
Great. I love you so much. You did a great job today. I love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye, Elsa. Bye, Asif. Bye, Zen. Fatima. Ali. Aya.
Happy Ramadan.
Yes, happy Ramadan to you too.
Happy Ramadan. Teacher. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.